This video is to show you how to install the Laylax shortened barrel and handguard for the SIG Air Vertis. I don't believe this works for the original version made by Cybergun, but let me know if it does. So to start this off, we want to take off our handguard. Let's do this. We want to push this pin in here. Okay, that'll push. One click out and slide your handguard off. Your wiring here will have a small cable tie on there, keeping them in place. I've already taken this off already. You just take that one off with a pair of snips or something. That will come off nice and easy. Now, next thing you want to do is Allen key on these two screw holes. You'll know once they're unscrewed because the bottom base plate will just fall off. Now, to get the top plate off, you can struggle sometimes taking this one off. So if you push the barrel towards the main gun, it allows you to slide this off a lot easier. Once you've taken them off, you can then pull the main barrel out. Be careful with this because inside the main barrel is a spring. You need to keep hold of this spring as you'll need it for the next part. So I'm going to slide the spring back on, get the new barrel, this groove in the bottom here. We'll go across the bottom, slide that into place, you get a little spring action with it. This into place. That's all nice and tightly in there. Now, the original inner barrel is still sticking out. Laylax recommend that you get a 185mm inner barrel, or if you want to get a mock suppressor to cover it up, that's also an option. That's what I'll be doing for this one. Now, before we can put on the shortened handguard, we're missing a bracket at the bottom here that locks it into that lug. This will need to be taken off the original handguard. And pop that. Once they're all nice and neatly tightened on, there we go. You can slide this onto the barrel. Check your fitting on there. Now, if you notice, the original battery part here sticks out the front a little bit when it gets in focus. There we go. This sticks out a little bit, so you will need to bend this over or figure out where you're going to put your battery, if you're going to put it in a dummy pec box on top, or if you're going to strap your battery in the inside. Now, this does also come with a dummy gas block type of thing, but it's designed for holding the battery in place. So this gets put over the front there. Over the front to hold in a battery. So for this example, I'll be using this stick type battery, popping that one in place and then screwing that in to make sure the battery doesn't come out. There's a small Allen key in the bottom of this one to lock it into place. and keep it nice and neatly tucked in. And that's it. You are all ready to go with your newly converted MCX Rattler. Fantastic.